How to fix Exness app not working. First of all, make sure your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Many app issues occur due to weak or unstable network signals. Next, check if there is an update available for the Exness app. Open the Play Store, search for Exness and tap Update if available. If there is no update button, your app is already up to date. If the app is still not working, try clearing the cache and data from your device settings. This can resolve issues caused by corrupted files or temporary data. Another helpful step is to restart your device, as this can fix minor software glitches that may be affecting the app. If the problem persists, uninstall and reinstall the Exness app. This ensures you have a fresh installation with no corrupted files. Make sure your device meets the minimum system requirement for the Exness app. Outdated devices or operating systems can sometimes cause app crashes. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Exness customer support for assistance. They can help resolve account-specific or technical issues. Now you know how to fix the Exness app if it's not working. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.